Jose Christmas is one busy lady. She's a wife and a mother to 3 grown boys who have all been really busy in their schooling and in the hockey world. As if just doing that isn't enough, Jose works in the classroom with special needs children. Even with the many personal and family commitments she carries, Jose has never been one to ignore her own health and fitness. From her early days as a cheerleader for the Montreal Alouettes, she has carried a love of physical fitness. However, after having 3 children, even exercise wasn't helping to keep her weight down. Then her challenges really began. In 2009, Jose was diagnosed with uterine cancer. Never one to throw in the towel, she beat the disease and decided to continue to work on her fitness and came to Real Life for help with her weight loss. So we sent her to see our friend, Dr. Joey Schulman.
Jose, nice to meet you.
Hi,
Come on in. I just want to explain to you our weight loss program before we get started so you know what we're doing. The focus is on 3 elements here, Jose. We're going to be focusing on quality calorie intake. And research is very clear that if we eat different calories, the quality matters. So those who eat better calories, higher nutritious calories, do better as far as weight loss. Hormonal balance is key, and you'll be seeing that we're regulating your blood sugar to make sure you're in blood sugar control and not over-secreting insulin, and optimal digestion. When you do the 3, you'll have successful weight loss, and I think you'll do great. You'll find that the first couple of days, your cravings might go up a little. That will end. Within a week, you'll have no cravings, and you won't get that 3 p.m. slump where you feel tired anymore, because we're going to get you into blood sugar control. And doing that, make sure that you start to lose weight. The whole key here is you're eating the wrong foods, you're eating at the wrong time of day, things like pasta at night, you're having too many diet drinks, to be honest with you. No diet sodas, they're not great for weight loss. We want to get you into blood sugar control. And protein will secrete a hormone called glucagon, which will help balance you out. You're an active person, which is terrific, and your metabolism is kaput right now. So we need to spark that metabolism again, and you spark it with protein and fat. We may have to throw in a supplement or 2 as we go along. I'm going to learn your metabolism. I never practice cookie cutter. I practice hormonal weight loss, but you're different than my 16-year-old who has high cholesterol, or than my male who has a more active metabolism. But everyone's metabolism has a degree of flexion on it. And what I'm doing is I'm putting flexion on your metabolism, driving it up, you lose weight. So all we have to do is get you started on the program. I'm going to get you weighed and measured. And if there's anything as we go through the program you think, no, I can't do that, you need to let me know, because I'll fix it for you. I'm going to put you on the initial startup program for 30 days, and you'll do great. Okay, we're all done.